Caffeine team, here we go.
This is what I mean. Coffee every morning. What's going on, Caffeine team? Thank you for joining me again for another video. Oh! This guy's in the background over here. I know this is a little bit out of schedule, so that's what you're probably thinking. Why the hell is this guy posting a video on a Monday? But there was some news that I had to tell you regarding the stickers. So I will be putting in the link for the stickers on Wednesday's video, which should be an exhaust video, so long as everything maps out correctly. Sammy's got his all his Caffeine Team stickers that I hooked him up with, promo stickers I'm giving out to a few people that are going to help spread the message on Long Island for me. Hopefully that can kind of builds up to being a lot bigger. The stickers will be available in a white, in a gloss black, and in a chrome like aluminum color. So that's going to be pretty sick. Obviously you guys would have seen all these pictures posted on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do, because so you can take a look at all the different color choices. I will be putting it obviously in this video as well, so you can take a look at it. But just a few things. Just make sure that you are cleaning the surfaces 100% before you apply the stickers. The stickers are made out of really good vinyl, especially the chrome and the black metallic. They're both vivid vinyls, and it's a really high quality vinyl. So we're actually going to apply it to Sammy's car right now, so you can take a look at how it looks. The stickers are going to be $5 a piece, or 2 for $8. So if you guys you know, want some stickers or whatnot, just make sure that you hit me up on the emails.
They're gonna give you 5 more HP.
5 more horsepower per sticker. Yeah, so if you want 1 or 2, go ahead and place the order. I am going to put my YouTube email address down below. So the way I'm going to do this the first time around, there are 105 stickers available. So 105 and then they're gone. I'll put the logistics as far as how many of each are down below. And then I'll start updating this video, or that video down below, to see how many are left based on orders, so that way you guys can just kind of reflect back to the video. I will always put a link down below also to come back to this video from the one from Wednesday for so that you guys can kind of bounce back and forth and see what's available still. Part of the proceeds, guys, are going to go to the American Lung Cancer Association because of, you know, some personal reasons, and, you know, some things that happened last year, obviously, with my girlfriend and everything, and, you know, there some fatalities and stuff, so I really want to donate to that cause, and we are going to donate 20% of all the proceeds to the Lung Cancer Association. Know that whenever you're getting a sticker from us, Caffeine Team, you guys are donating to a good cause as well. I will put the link down below in the description of the charity that I have chosen, so make sure you check that out as well. But let's get to putting on Sammy's stickers so we can give him another 5 horsepower. Just remember, guys, every single sticker purchase is going to go towards supporting more mods for the GTI for you guys to see. So see you on Wednesday for regularly scheduled programming. Peace out.